Pump the beat, guys. What is going on? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to Dano Crypto. Smash up the likes. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Friday. Happy market pump. I think we might be hitting all-time highs again. We're gonna hit them again. Are we already there? Are we already there, guys? Shout out to you guys in the chat. What is going on? If you hear a cute little kid in the background, it's because that is my daughter. She's hanging with me. She's hanging with me in the studio. She's trading. What is going on? Shout out to you guys in the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for being here. We have a lot of people watching on Twitter. We actually have 12 people on Twitter. So if you are on Twitter, please let yourself be known. We got 11 people on Twitter. Let yourself be known. Say yo yo on Twitter. Hope you guys are doing well. So we're hitting a little bit of resistance, nothing crazy, but see here on the MACD, we're getting a cross on the MACD and we're getting a little bit of green on the histogram wave. You can see here that once we had this little histogram wave pushing up on this part of the MACD on Bitcoin, we had a nice push to the upside. So are we going to repeat that same pattern where we are where we're coming into that next resistance level, but are we going to break that and get supported into the $70,000 ranges? So once we get into $70,000, guys, I mean, it's kind of price discovery, obviously, because we'll be breaking the all-time highs. So we're 30 minutes past the New York Open, and we have the institutions and people with their paychecks buying up the Bitcoin, buying up the charts, crashing Coinbase, and overall just getting super bullish and feeling that FOMO, feeling the FOMO hard. So if you guys haven't hit the like button yet, please do so and do some housekeeping. Sorry for the portal to the heavens behind me. I have to block that. my piece of cardboard fell. But yeah, man, we're doing good. We're doing good. We're literally about to push up. We're 68,800 right now. This will probably be a good profit taking time on some Bitcoin, because we're getting up to the top, but we could be pushing. We just want to see if we're going to get validated. And right now we got back into Doge, and we got into Solana because we wanted to get into Solana before we saw that breakout into going into the $200 ranges for Solana. It's crushing into getting back into its all-time highs, so we wanted to make sure we're hedging on against Solana. Got into a nice position on Sol, and we could be now on the monthly. We have this big cup, and we might be if we're forming a cup and handle, but we are just pushing to the upside here on Solana. If we look at the weekly, we want to look at the weekly chart or the monthly chart and look at where we just broke that previous resistance. We just broke previous resistance at 142. So now the next target could be this candle. That was a 43% candle move and closed at $200. Basically $202, and the high was 218. So we could be pushing with Bitcoin crushing into the all-time high, Solana getting back in the all-time highs. So we want to remember, guys, that when we start getting into the all-time highs now with Bitcoin, the altcoins are about 400% off those all-time highs. So we'd like Chainlink, Polygon. I mean, there's all kinds of altcoins that are basically off their all-time highs about an average 400%. All right, so what's up, Brucey? Shout out to Brucey. I had a 5x limit long set for WIF at $1.14. It would have filled and made me 500%. Oh, I know, man. It's so crazy. All right, Famous Productions, let's go. Yeah, we are crushing it right now, guys. We're pumping the blade beat. We're feeling it. We're pumping it. We're pumping it right now. So we got 4 people in the stream. You guys got to hit the like button. It gets more people in here. I know we got a lot of market share going on for the YouTube crypto YouTuber community. We got like 2,000 people in Jason Casper's live stream. I mean, let's see how the live streams are going right now. So we'll turn down the music just a little bit. Let's see how the live streams are doing. Yeah, we're hitting 70K today for sure. We're at 68.7 right now, and it's Friday morning. We got CryptoFace streaming. Let's check on CryptoFace. We're gonna check on CryptoFace, see how he's doing. Let's see how CryptoFace is doing. He's live right now. Apparently, someone thought that CryptoFace gave me a shout out. I don't know what they were smoking, but I mean, if CryptoFace was giving me a shout out, then.
What happened to my dog? I talk about him all the time.
But yeah, he is right now. He is in a $1 million long or $5 million long, which is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, guys. So right now, when one of those positions is isolated 10x long, he is unrealized profits of $350,000. CryptoFace, absolute legend. So it's just absolute legend.
For years, my man.
He's funny too. Like him and Jason Casper combo. Like I would love to get on a stream together with CryptoFace and Jason Casper. We got to make that happen. I think that can be in the cards one day. All right. But yeah, shout out to CryptoFace. Who else is streaming right now? We got Randy Hipper. Shout out to Randy Hipper. We're gonna pop in her live stream. And we're gonna say what's up.
An official at the BSP, the official central bank for the Philippines.
All right.
Has revealed
yeah, Randy.
more
We like
details.
Randy. She's awesome. Miss Teen Crypto. And then Jason Casper still streaming.
I'm looking
Jason
at
Casper.
$1 for Doge, I'll be honest with you. Shout out to Crypto Jeff. Can we do some quick TA on ME token?
We are live.
I've never heard of ME token. How can Bitcoin
Shout
not reach
out
new highs
to
with this fire freestyle going on?
The legend.
Here we go, baby.
Shout out to the legend right there. All right, so let's see what's going on with our longs right now. Let's see what's going on. So if we didn't set stop loss, we did set stop losses once we were breaking in profit. So let's see what we're we're at 68.9. Nice. Look at this candle, guys. This candle is amazing. We're pushing volume. We're on the histogram, MACD. Let's look at it on the hourly, on the 2 hour. Oh yeah, look at the 2 hour MACD. We need to make this big so we can look at that. Look at that cross. We got a cross here, and we have look at that momentum. So we had obvious previous two testing tops right here on the histogram for the MACD, and then we have lower red histogram levels on the next leg up right here. So we could be pushing into getting into these levels right here. We want to see that we can push up into that level again on the MACD. It's looking really bullish right now, guys. 68.9. We're pushing all-time highs right now live on the Dano Crypto live stream. So let's pump the beat, guys. Let's pump the beat. Let's go. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Smash up the likes. I hope you guys are in good trades. I hope you're positioned well. I hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling good. Let's go. Hopefully this isn't going to end up like the last stream that we did the all-time high and we rejected off it immediately and we didn't take enough profits. 69 incoming. That's what she said. That's what she wrote. Let's go. 68.9. We got 68.9. We're on the 2 hour. Let's look at the 15 minute. The 15 minutes looking strong because we're pushing volume right now. We're pushing mass volume. Yeah, let's look at Bitcoin right now on MEXC. Link in the description. We're looking good. What's the volume right now? What's our volume on Bitcoin? Volume on Bitcoin right now is 3.4 billion right now, trading volume. All right, we're pushing it. 68. All right, 68.9. We wicked a little bit. Let's look at the 5 minute. We're starting to get a little bit above that band. We're just trading on that band right now. Let's switch the settings on the Bollinger Bands here. On the SMA, yeah, we wanted to change it to 200, but no, we'll just keep it here. We'll keep it here for the short term. Man, where's the Bitstamp chart? There we go. 68.9. All right. Do we need to be taking some profits right now? Let's see where the account is. All right, we're pushing back up into those levels. And what's great is that we're in an Ethereum trade as well. So we're hedging on Ethereum, doing really well. We're in a Pepe trade. We are also in a SHIB trade. So we're waiting for those breakouts. We have realized thousands of dollars in profit to go back into our DCA bags. We have also gotten into positions that did not play out so well. We have position history here where I could show you, you know, some where we obviously have been liquidated, but we were also still in profit. We are still in profit even with the liquidations and also with actually sticking to our plan. So if you actually stick to the plan and you practice proper risk management, then you still can protect your account even if you get invalidated on your trades and break your rules. So just to let you guys know. Shout out to you guys in the live stream. Thank you so much for being in here. We got 7 people. We got 6 likes. We need to get all the likes. If you're watching on your TV, this is what you do. You hit 2 times on the remote up, and then you hit right 2 times. So it's like a cheat code. You go 1, 2, up 2 times, and then 2 times to the right. So a little cheat code for you to hit the like button on this video if you're on the TV. And if you're on the phone, you just take your thumb. You just go, doop. It's free. You get free alpha, and we are going to be breaking all-time highs right now on the live stream on Dano Crypto Live right now. If you want to join the Discord and join the Dano Crypto Dojo, please hit the link. Let's see. Do you see that Puff meme coin presale? I minted a portion. Lord help me. Puff. No, I haven't seen it. Let's see. Let's check out Puff. Oh man. All right. So let's see. Puff. Is this it? Is this what you're talking? Oh, a Solana meme coin. What's going on? Easy Way. Shout out to Easy Way. Shout out to all the regulars that are popping up in the live stream. Thank you guys so much for being here. Remember, if you want to become an official member, you get a Pepe meme badge. You get a Pepe meme badge. It's a nice, juicy Pepe smile to keep you happy. It's going to be official mantle meme coin. Okay, yeah. The thing is with meme coins that like I'm a simple man. I feel like people, the retail, they're not going to want to get into something they don't recognize and that they're not going to feel comfortable with. And I think people feel comfortable with Shiba Inu, they feel comfortable with Doge, and they actually feel comfortable with Pepe. So just want to check on something. My daughter's hanging out. She's just hanging out with me. She's doing her work. She's trading the charts. She's trading Bitcoin right now. She's trading kit. Are you trading right now? Are you doing your Bitcoins? She is so funny. She is the cutest. She woke up one morning and she said, "Daddy," right when she woke up, the first thing that she said was, "Daddy, how's your Bitcoins doing?" And I was like, "Oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing in the entire world." And I was like, they're doing good. They're doing good. I'm sorry, but I cannot check Easy Way. I cannot check your coins that you want to check right now because Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs right now. So we need to celebrate right now, guys. Bitcoin is about to break the all-time highs. We see it. We see it. It's coming. It's coming, guys. All right, how many people we got in the live stream? We got 9 people in the live stream. Okay, we got more people coming in. Bitcoin's pumping. People want to make some money. Their paychecks are coming in. Their taxes are coming in. Come on, guys. What do you think is going to happen? People are going to FOMO. They're going to open up that Coinbase app. They're going to open up that Qcoin. They're going to open up Gemini? No, they don't open up Gemini. No, they don't open up Winklevoss apps. You know what? But what we open up is we get degen. If you're watching Dano Crypto, then you're kind of opening it all. You're opening it all. So, all right. So are we taking profits, guys? Do we need to be taking profits right now? Are we getting a little toppy? Yes, we need to take profits. We just we're rejecting a little bit. We could see another dump. We could see another dump off of this rejection at 68.9. This is on Bitstamp, but we could be pushing in. But the MACD, we need to see more histogram. We need to see more green. Learning more about the MACD. You see more green, you see more, and on the Bollinger Band, you connect those indicators together in the Bollinger Bands together, and once we start trading up above the Bollinger Band of that average price, then that's when we can possibly see the price starting to retrace back inside the band. And then if we start trading below obvious price, going back up into the average price moving line right here. So we could be still pushing up. We still could be pushing up. We might be step laddering now. Because now the band is at 69. We might be hitting the top of the band here.
Dad.
Yeah.
Can I go?
Oh yeah, for sure on Robinhood, because that was how the last cycle was. My daughter's so cute. She's waving and at the guys getting the leaves out there. All those guys are cool. As you can see, I didn't get my leaves yet. I didn't get mine up. We're active right now. We're active. Everyone's happy. Everyone's happy. Oh man, okay, we're breaking it. We're breaking it. Rosie, Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs. Yeah! Woo woo! I'm like, Rosie, I'm trying to this is your retirement. DYM. Oh man. Nope, I can't right now. I can't. You can't. All right, we're back, guys. Just had to check on the daughter. All right, so we're looking super bullish still.
You have enough Bitcoin.
No, I don't have enough Bitcoins. My daughter just asked.
One guy, about 20,500.
So cute. She's like, "Do you have enough Bitcoins?" I'm like, "No." I'm like, "Don't remind me. I don't have enough." But we're getting more. We're getting more.
But you don't deserve it because you have a...
My daughter's about to grab the mic. She's like, "Listen, guys, you don't have enough Bitcoin. You don't have enough." She's like, "Guys, listen, you don't have enough Bitcoin." So funny. Yeah, she's doxing my portfolio hard. She's like, "You don't have enough, Dad." "You don't have enough Bitcoin."
You have enough Bitcoin for duties in the Cybercoin.
This is what so when it's spring break and your kids aren't in school, this is just what happens. This is just what happens. The struggle's real. Struggle's real. All right, so let's see what's happening on the old Twitter. Let's see what's happening on the old X. Shout out to all the viewers on X right now. How many viewers do we have on X? We have 11 people watching on X right now, and you guys haven't chatted. You know, when you click on the bubble right here, you can say, hey, I am watching on X. And you'll pop up. So let me know who you are on X. I would love it. I would love it. All right, so yeah, everything is pumping. Everything is kind of pumping. Let's check the crypto bubbles. All right, so I would love to, let's look at the yearly. So the yearly, so we got Caspa, Bonk, Akash, Injective, Floki, Render, Fetch are the biggest performers out of all of the coins that we've been hearing about for in the past year. Now we have Whiff, Pepe, and Floki up, and I'm just mentioning the ones that are literally up 800% or more. All right, so look, we got to look at Bitcoin because we're in Bitstamp right now. We're pushing 69,000, guys. We're pushing 69,000. We're pushing it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And then, and my daughter is winning her Mario game over there. She just beat it by herself. I don't know what other 5-year-old is as good at Mario as she is. She's a champ. All right, so are we? Man, we're pumping hard, guys. We're pumping hard. We're pumping hard. But oh, nice. All right, guys. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this candle. We can do it. We can push it. We're gonna be breaking 70K. We're gonna be breaking 70K today. Yeah, look at this. She's over there getting hyped. She's like, yay, get your Bitcoins. Everyone get your Bitcoins. Right on a retest of prior highs as Bitcoin is about to pump. That might be a very good entry. All right. I think the internet's about to crash, guys. The internet's literally about... It's breaking the internet again, guys. Let's go. We got to take some profits. We got to take profits right now. We got to do it. Let's do it. Let's take profits. I'm taking 25% off this right now. Let's go. When it's at highs, you take profits. This is what you do. Taking profits right now. If you guys aren't taking profits right now, I don't know what you're doing. All right, so then we're gonna see the altcoins are gonna follow suit. We're back, baby. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's push it. We're breaking it. We're breaking it now, guys. Let's go. Let's get this stream. Let's get this stream going. Let's get more people in here. I think the world needs to see what is happening. The world needs to see what is happening. Let's go. All right, let's share this to the world. Let's go, guys. Awesome. How many people are watching? How many people are watching on X? We got 11 people watching on X. Oh, but we just dumped super hard. See, that's why you take profits. That's why you take profits. Look at that. That's on the 5 minute. We just dumped a little bit. We dumped right back into dumped right back into that candle range because we broke out of the band. I just said if we break out of the Bollinger Band, it's a possible that we dump, and we're dumping hard right now. People did not. Oh my gosh, we're really dumping hard. We're really dumping hard. Let's make sure our altcoin trades are getting closed because we need to flash close these. Oh, yep. Oh. Yep, we got to flash close them or they're going to get wrecked. Okay, did we hit a take profit? I think we just hit a took profit. Woo! Oh my god. We just hit a take profit. Okay, and then what is happening? Oh my god, the market is just getting swinged right now. Hard. You guys are seeing this live. I think I just hit multiple take profits, but then also stop losses all at the same time. All at the same time. What just happened? Stop loss triggered on... Okay, it had a stop loss triggered. Oh my gosh, that was insane. What just happened? Whoa. This is why you protect your trades, guys. This is why you protect your trades. We have... Woo! We had take profits. We just did a stop loss. We just hit everything right now. Woo! Oh my gosh. Holy crap, the wicks on the 5 minute, guys, are insane. We just wicked to 67,000 so fast, and we took profits. You just saw me take profits right at the top. We took profits right at the top. Amazing. Yes, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is why we're in crypto. Let's go. Let's go. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane right now. Bitcoin is breaking the internet. Bitcoin is breaking the internet. Guys, thank you so much for being in the live stream. If you haven't hit the like button, please do so. Yep, leverage liquidity grab right there for sure. And look, people got hit hard. People were putting longs in. People were putting longs in right here and probably did long it and then took that profit right when they were seeing that resistance hit. But look, that's the thing though. Look at the MACD. The MACD. Let's look at the MACD on the 30 minute. Let's look at the MACD on the 30 minute. We need to look at this wave here. We crossed hard. And look, we just crossed that measure line. I said if we cross that measure line, we are going to be pushing up. We're starting to get more. We're starting to get more strength a little bit. If we start seeing this histogram flip more green and we get a little bit more volume, then we could try and retest it. We could retest it again. If we retest it again in this short amount of time, then we will get pushed up. We will get pushed up. But the fact that we even just wicked up to a breaking all-time high of $70,200, we just hit $70,200, and man, where did we take profit? We took profit. Where did we just take profit? We took profit. Let's see. Where's our take profit? Stop loss. Did we hit a take profit? Did we hit a take profit? Or did we hit all stop losses on those? All right. Well, we definitely we realized $400 in just the short term right here on that pump. Thank you guys for being live with me to witness. Thank you so much. We got to get more people in here. We got to get more people in these live streams. These numbers got to get up. These numbers got to get up. YouTube needs to be friendly and start pushing this content out. Start pushing it out. We got to get it out. Let's go. Craziness right now. Right. Yeah, we're not getting as big of a projection, to be honest, because look how much we rejected right here, and where the histogram was and how we were pushing right here, and we had big red. So now the waves in the histogram, we can easily start pushing green. Because now we're going to be in ascending. Little bit of a wedge here. That was the high. I mean, come on, that's such a nice test. That's such a nice retest of the highs right there too. Such a nice test of the highs. All right. Sol and okay, so let's see if we can get back into, like, so did Doge do? Man, okay. Yeah, now it's going to be tricky. It's going to be tricky getting in some of these altcoins when you see these dips like this. 67, we're at 67.8. 67.8. Might be good potential opportunities for a short. But we're still pushing. We're still pushing up. Man, I was not quick enough on taking those profits on those altcoins. When I saw that dip, I was like, oh no, the altcoins are I was trying to flash close them. But you gotta be careful with flash closing stuff. You don't want to click flash close and then all of a sudden it ends up hitting your stop loss and then you just hit flash close on a trade that you didn't want to close. I actually did that on accident on my phone one time and hit flash close on something and was like, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Irresponsible trading. Thank you guys for tuning in. All right, we're going to keep watching the charts. We're going to see what happens. Did we catch So, we had a wick low right here on 15 cents. We might still get back into Doge. We want to be in a Doge trade. We've said it. We want to be in a Doge trade. We don't want to be too much margin in there, but we want to be able to get back in on Doge, and it's low leverage. We're going to get back in on the move. We can start seeing some, since we got in our entry back here, was cross points. Obvious moves to the upside here would be to retest that 17 cents and that other 17 cents, 17.6 right here. So, still watching Doge. And we're even going to, right now in the short term, just in case we see some crazy flip reversal on Bitcoin, we'll set a stop loss. Yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, let's look at that. So in the hourly, let's look at the hourly right now. So now let's see what recovered the most. AKT, yeah, AKT, Akash Network, Render, Fetch. So okay, so the DPIN narrative and the GPU sharing power AI is huge. So that's kind of what you want to see. Like what's recovering the fastest, and that'll help with a lot. So let's do it at danielcurtishughes.com. If you go to danielcurtishughes.com, you can actually go on the 5-minute here. You can go on the 5-minute chart on danielcurtishughes.com. If you're using crypto bubbles, just the crypto bubbles, you just have the hourly here, but you can actually go danielcurtishughes.com and get the 5 minutes. So what's the recovery on the 5-minute? Pepe. We got DYDX, AGIX, Ruin, Fetch, Whiff, Floki. Okay, so that's what we need to be watching right now. We need to be watching Fetch, Floki, Pepe. Need to be watching those. Nice retest right here in the middle of the band. Trump coin. It's funny, I actually have some fun little Trump coin plays as well. I have Baby Trump, MAGA, and I did have some pig coin. I was up on pig coin, but so I took some profits. Shido, I don't know what the heck's going on with Shido. Like, I'm very disappointed in them. That was just a massive, like, manipulation, I think, on their part, and I don't think their recovery is very good. Trading went live, and there wasn't any hype to be able to get the coin back, so I don't think, my opinion, I think it's just kind of like a sit and wait hold. But as you can see, we're already 7% up on, or 8% up on our Doge trade, because we tested that middle point, we saw strength, and we're gonna get pushing up to the upside there. We see Sol 146. So 146 is actually great because where did we sell? We sold right here. Let's see the order history. So look, we got a sell order 147. So now we're at 146. So if we can get in at 146 at the same entry that we got, we can do 70 right here. Let's lower the leverage. Let's go 10. I want to go 10 because the market is just kind of flinging around. So I'm gonna get into Sol. We're gonna make sure we get that. We actually might get a little bit more ready histy, but we're looking on the MACD or on the RSI, stochast RSI crossing, push up a little bit more. We can get another push to the upside here with crossing up here. Let's see what happens. We need to set a stop loss though. Set a stop loss at so we're only losing $13 on a potential move to make when we see a nice breakout. But let's see what Bitcoin's doing right now, because that's all what's going to distinguish what's happening with the alts right now. Bitcoin is doing a nice, hopefully we're going to keep going in this ascending wedge. We'll break out here, and we're not going to break to the downside, because we retested the bottom here at 61. We don't want to see another retest of 61. We don't want another retest of 61. We want to start pushing back up. So, but we might be breaking a little below again. So let's see. This is on the 45 minute. It's on the 45 minute. Let's see the 5 minute. The Bitstamp chart. Yeah, the Bitstamp chart, it really wicked. It wicked down 67.3. Let's see the wick on this. The wick close 67.304. On Binance. All right, yeah, let's look at the Binance chart. Let's look at the Bitcoin Binance chart. Bitcoin on Binance. Let's look at that one. Yeah, let's look at the wicks on the 5 minute. The wicks on the 5 minute, if we're looking at that, let's full screen it so we can really get into it. And yeah, you see we wicked 70,000. We went a little higher on Coinbase and Bitstamp on the wick. And then we saw wick 67, 67.4, and then the second candle wick to 68, wick down 67.5. Now we got a green candle with the wick. It's getting a little bit higher. It's getting higher each time. We're getting a little bit more. We're getting a little bit more data. But the thing is that like people are not, sometimes it takes a little bit longer for people's paychecks to come in, and then they're going to feel that FOMO. They're like, my paycheck isn't in. It's not in yet. And Bitcoin is going past 70K. I wanted to buy some. I wanted to buy some when I got my tax return and my paycheck on Friday. Dang it. And then that's going to build up FOMO. And then people are going to start like throwing money in the market. They're going to start chucking money in the market. This was just traders. This was just trader sell. Like retail doesn't act like that, so they're ready for the ride. They're ready for the next ride. They're ready for the next Bitcoin ride. So we got to give it to them. We got to give it to them, guys. Let's do it. Yeah, the Binance chart's looking good. Actually, the Binance chart's looking good on the 5 minute. It's looking good. Thank you guys for being in the live stream. Shout out to you guys. Thank you very much. It would be nice to have some more people in here. But I think we're going to end it. We're just going to check the charts. We're going to take some profits. We're going to do our proper risk management. Let's go. Yeah, Sol's looking good. Sol's pushing up. Woo! Sol's looking good. Solana's going to be retesting those highs. Retesting those highs. We're trading with proper risk management. We got stop losses set. Let's see, okay, I thought I set a stop loss on Doge. Let's set a stop loss on Doge. We're going to set a 10% stop loss. Order failed as there is a position. Take profit. Did I do that already? I guess I did. Oh yeah, there is a stop loss set. It just didn't show it to me. That's weird. Oh, I have it in there. Okay. All right. Yeah, just to make sure, we want to make sure these trades are protected. We have a little bit higher margin now in here because we're able to take a little bit more profits, get a little bit hedgy. A little bit hedgy. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in this live stream. We hit Bitcoin all-time highs on this live stream. It's pretty historic. And we took profits. You saw me take profits at the top. If you liked that, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, join the Dano Crypto Dojo community. The link is for the Discord is in the description. And God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. And happy Friday. And I'll see you later today. Maybe we'll be breaking into past 70K later today. All right. Peace, guys.